MSI looks to break the stigma behind this with their lowest cost X470 chipset motherboard, the X470 Gaming Plus. This model is specifically aimed at gamers looking to be more gingerly with their cash, which allows users to potentially upgrade their other components without sacrificing too much on quality. With a selection of components including a Realtek pairing consisting of an ALC892HD audio codec and RTL8111H gigabit LAN controller, MSI's attempt to dominate the low to mid-range X470 market with this $120 offering hinges on its implementation and performance. The MSI X470 Gaming Plus is a mid-range gaming-themed motherboard which, as it currently stands, at the time of writing, is the cheapest full-sized ATX X470 entry-level option at a cost of $120. For the $120, MSI have included a selection of mid-level controllers such as a Realtek ALC892HD audio codec which offers 5 3.5mm gold-plated audio jacks and a S/PDIF optical out, as well as a Realtek RTL8111H gigabit controller powering the single LAN port on the rear panel of the board. Further connections include a pairing of video outputs consisting of a DVI-D and an HDMI 1.4 port.